everyone. Are you looking for a nice little shoulder, a very quick little shoulder stretch that you can do while on the chair? I recommend you start with really nice shoulder rolls. We're gonna go ahead and do 5 of these. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and do the opposite ones, opposite way. 3, 2, 1. Are you breathing? Let's go ahead and take the arms all the way up. Breathe in. And then exhale, breathe out. Again, take the arms all the way up. Breathe in. Draw the belly in. Breathe out. Now, because these are for our shoulders, we're going to go ahead and take the left arm across the body and then go ahead and take the opposite arm, the right arm, and pull it up so you do a nice little stretch right here in your deltoid. Breathe. Good. Let's release. Take the opposite arm across and the other arm up. Woo. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Do you have your yoga fingers extended? Great. Let's go ahead and release them. Take the arms out. Inhale. And let's go ahead and brush stroke the arm over, and then come all the way across the chest and out. Other side. Extend and all the way out. Woo. And release. Now, as you know, I'm an acupuncturist and a yoga teacher, and I'm all about tapping onto the meridians into the body. So if I have tight and tough shoulders, I'm gonna go ahead and tap onto my shoulder and all the way down. And then I'm gonna turn my palm up, I'm gonna tap on the inside of my body. Come all the way across the chest. Go ahead and tap on top of the shoulder, all the way down the arm, onto the outside of the arm, and on the inside of the arm. And then with a nice gentle fist, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the top of my shoulder, right into my traps. Feels really good. I'm gonna release, I'm gonna do the other side. And of course, our shoulders are always related to our neck. So we're gonna take our arms down, make sure we're sitting up nice and tall, always drawing the belly in because we get a little extra ab workout while we do this. We're gonna go ahead and turn our heads, again, because neck, related to shoulders, and that also makes things tight. So we're gonna loosen this up by breathing, looking. Come on back to center. Let's go ahead on the other side. Come on back to center. We're gonna go ear to shoulder. And then I want you to take the opposite arm, take it behind you. Notice that nice deeper stretch down to the shoulder, neck, right down to the shoulder. Breathe in and out. Release. Let's do the opposite side. Just let it hang. The head is like 8 to 10 pounds. Ooh, that's a good stretch. And let's go ahead and take the opposite arm behind. Ooh, I feel that. Do you guys feel it? Breathe in and out. Let's go ahead and release. Take your head back to center. Go ahead and look up. Look up, look up, look up. Open up this nice throat area. And release. I hope you have a great day, everyone. Hope you were able to enjoy that nice little shoulder stretch with me. Have a great day. Namaste.